Hi, welcome to the CartsPlus showroom here in Kelowna. My name is Erwin. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of our new series of carts, 2021 EZGO RXV. These are in-house refurbished rather than factory refurbished. I'm going to show you all the components that we reuse that are in good condition. First of all, we start from the frame up. We rebuild the front end and the frame underneath is painted. All of those components are rebuilt and reused. We use the original body. We use the original windshield. We use the original roof. High quality premium seat, sand bottles, and cooler are all reused to save money. That's why these units are well priced. What we do add as new, we add a new rain cover, and we add new mirrors, and we add a new floor mat. These units are value priced at $8,800. You can see them in our showroom. Comes with a Samsung SDI battery, totally maintenance free. Samsung extends the warranty for another 3 years. So you can have peace of mind when you buy this unit. It's a great starter golf unit. Come into our showroom, pick one out, or have one shipped to you anywhere in BC or Alberta. Thanks for dropping by.